Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. Not today, not in this kitchen. Nope. First, I want to thank all of you for the wonderful birthday wishes. I had a great day. I got to do what I wanted to do. And yes, I cooked dinner for Robin and I. I know, I do that every day. Robin did offer to either take me out, including, and because I was craving sushi, or she had offered to cook dinner for me. So she did offer. I'm the one. So no, I wasn't forced. Okay. So last night I prepared some New York strips, real basic, real simple, with a compound butter that had tarragon, chives, basil, and a little bit of garlic powder. It was really good. Really good. And then I did potato mayonnaise, because it's one of Robin's favorites. And I didn't overcook the potatoes this time. Yes, it turned out really, really yummy. And then I did my corn and pea saute. I'm really perfecting that. It's turning into a wonderful, wonderful dish. Today I'm doing kind of a two-part thing. One dish is so we can have it either as a side tonight and to snack on throughout the day. It is summer. Yes. Trust me, it's summer. I'm making my macaroni salad. I discovered this particular recipe last summer, and we had it a couple times. We really like this. It's got a little bit of sweetness to it, and the veggies, and it's a really good mac salad. And then for tonight's dinner, I'm doing salmon fillets in a red pepper velouté. Here. If you speak French, that's the word. So now I do have another side. It's a real simple wild rice blend box thing that we picked up. So I might serve that with the salmon. All right, let's get to it. Got some hardware going. Of course, I got some salmon. We bought a whole fillet a week or so ago, and I forgot to take this out last night. So it still needs to be defrosted, but it'll be fine in time for dinner. The sauce, it's really basic. Heavy cream, roasted jar of roasted bell peppers, some Parmesan. The olive oil is to pan sear and fry up the salmon. Smoked paprika, a little bit of garlic, kosher salt, black pepper. Yeah, it's real simple. And some flat leaf Italian parsley for garnish and a little bit of color, other than the red. The macaroni salad, this is a gem. So of course, elbow macaroni. I'm actually going to mix that. I'm going to go half and half. I'm using some of the macaroni that I got from the Asian market a couple months ago. Diced red onion, diced celery, diced red bell pepper, diced Roma tomatoes. The sauce is pretty yummy. Mayonnaise. I'm using Sierra Nevada's Porter brown mustard. Cider vinegar, sour cream, and about 1/8 cup of sugar. Of course, there's going to be kosher salt and black pepper and some parsley. So yeah, we like snacking on salads like this through the summer because if I don't want to cook, which is very rare, we just can snack on it. And I actually asked Robin to not take the smack salad to work. She gave me the dirtiest look. All right. Again, thank you for the birthday wishes. 110 today here in Sutter County. Yeah. This week is not fun. So I'm definitely getting my prep done early. Again, this is a simple dinner. There's literally like no prep for actually dinner. So, yeah. All right. Enough. On this Tuesday, have a great day. Stay cool, stay hydrated, eat great food, and have fun cooking.